Good morning to all. In this video, we are going to see four asanas. Number 1, Sukhasana. Number 2, Bhujangasana. Number 3, Makarasana. Number 4, Ustrasana. Let- Let's begin the session with word of prayer.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
If running or jogging or any standing exercises are not possible for you, then you should try few sitting yoga poses. The given seated yoga poses are enough to keep you flexible and fit. In this, we will start with Sukhasana, which is also known as comfortable pose. Sukhasana. Before starting other seated yoga poses, you should practice Sukhasana. It is also known as meditative yoga pose, which calms the mind and reduces stress. Sukhasana meaning. The word derived from Sanskrit. Sukh means wellness or comfort. Asana means pose. The benefits. It aids in meditation and pranayama. Mastering this posture makes the difficult posture like Padmasana and Siddhasana easier. It helps to activating the Mooladhara or base chakra. It stimulates or wakes up the central nervous system and activates the parasympathetic nervous system. It helps in reducing the blood pressure and palpitation. Sukhasana restricts the blood flow to the leg and thereby increase digestive power. It relaxes the brain and derives away the stress. Finally, easy pose gives a good stretch to your legs. Sit on a mat with stretched legs. Bend right leg and place it under opposite thigh. Similarly, bend the other leg and place it under the folded leg. Sit erect and keep your head, neck and trunk in a straight line. Put your hands on thighs in Chin Mudra. Slowly close your eyes. Fix your mind in between the eyebrows. Now regulate normal breathe. Slow and deep breathe in, breathe out. Slow breathe in, out. Slow breathe in, out. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly relax yourselves. Come to starting position. During Sukhasana practice, blood flow to the legs is restricted. To restore the normal blood flow, one of the following postures should be performed: either Savasana, Bhujangasana, or Tadasana. Here we have chosen Bhujangasana, which is also known as Cobra pose. Bhujangasana is also known as Cobra pose in yoga. It is an excellent exercise for those who are suffering from stomach disorders, spinal cord problem, back pain, respiratory disorder, and obesity. Now we will see the benefits of Bhujangasana. It cures acidity, indigestion, and constipation. It improves the function of liver, kidney, pancreas, and gallbladder. It cures back pain. It strengthens the arm and shoulder. Helps to lose weight. Lie down on your stomach and feel relaxed. Stretch and join the legs. Place the palm near the chest facing the ground. Important thing is elbow should be straight. Now take a deep breath and lift your upper body. In this asana, breathing technique plays an important role. Stretch your maximum but don't overstrain. Hold your breath for some time. Now breathe out slowly and bring your stomach, chest, shoulder and head to the ground. Repeat it for 4 to 5 times daily. Are you suffering from back pain, depression, or stress? Then Makarasana yoga pose is one of the best exercise for you. Makarasana, the word derived from Sanskrit. Makara means crocodile, asana means pose. Crocodile yoga pose is effective to relieve back pain, stress, indigestion, and many. Benefits: it is an excellent yoga pose for relieving back pain, effective to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, improves blood circulation, much effective to prevent constipation and indigestion, beneficial in treatment of high blood pressure and heart diseases, stretches your spine and brings flexibility. Precaution: those who are suffering from serious back pain, neck, and back injuries should not practice. First, lie down on your stomach. Now, stretch your hands forward. Before going to next step, breathe normally for few seconds. Now, while inhaling, raise your upper body up and as shown in above image. Place your chin in your palm. Now keep breathing deeply. Hold few minutes, minimum 2 minutes. Now, while exhaling, release your pose and move to starting position. Repeat this for few more times. Ustrasana, also known as camel pose. Ustrasana pose, known as camel pose. The final position of the body looks like the shape of camel, so it is called as Ustrasana. Ustrasana, the word derived from Sanskrit. Ustra means camel, asana means pose. Benefits: helps to increase chest size and lung capacity, stimulates abdomen organs, strengthens back muscles, stimulates thyroid glands, helps to improve posture, reduce the fats in the stomach, improve digestion. Precautions for Ustrasana: those having problems related to the neck, knee and back injury should not perform this asana. Sit on your knees. Slowly bend backward. Hold right ankle or heel with your right hand and left ankle or heel with left hand. Now bend your neck and head back as much as you can and push waist area slightly forward. Breathing should be normal for 6 to 10 seconds. After 6 to 10 seconds, return to the first position by bending forward. Release your hands from heels. Repeat this for some more times. Thank you. Let's complete our session with word of prayer.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।